Welcome to the majestic and powerful world of Jupiter, the undisputed king of planets in our solar system. For centuries, humanity has gazed upon this giant with awe and wonder. Today, we take you on an epic journey through its turbulent atmosphere, ancient storms, hidden depths, and its magnificent family of moons. Jupiter is not merely a planet. It is an entire planetary system unto itself, a gas giant of incomprehensible scale and beauty. More than 4.5 billion years ago, in the chaotic birth of our solar system, Jupiter formed first among the planets. It rapidly gathered vast quantities of hydrogen and helium from the swirling protoplanetary disk, growing so massive that its gravity shaped the orbits of everything around it. Its diameter stretches across nearly 140,000 kilometers. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside its volume. Its mass is 318 times greater than Earth's, containing more material than all the other planets combined. Jupiter spins at breathtaking speed. One full day on this giant lasts only 9 hours and 55 minutes. This rapid rotation creates powerful equatorial bulges and the beautiful alternating bands of light and dark clouds that wrap around the planet like a cosmic painting. These bands are zones of rising gas and belts of sinking gas, constantly interacting in violent turbulence. The most legendary feature on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. This enormous anticyclonic storm has raged without stopping for at least 400 years. It is so large that 2 or even 3 entire Earths could disappear inside it. Winds along its edges scream at 680 kilometers per hour. The storm rotates slowly, its deep red color possibly caused by complex organic molecules and sulfur compounds lifted from deeper layers and transformed by ultraviolet light. Even today, after centuries of observation, the Great Red Spot continues to shrink and change, yet it refuses to disappear. Deep within the Great Red Spot, massive vortices swirl and lightning flashes illuminate the chaos. Juno spacecraft has shown us that this storm plunges hundreds of kilometers deep into the atmosphere, far deeper than scientists once believed. Around it, smaller white ovals and brown barges drift, sometimes colliding and merging in spectacular atmospheric battles. Jupiter's atmosphere is a layered masterpiece of chemistry. At the highest levels, we see ammonia ice clouds. Below them lie ammonium hydrosulfide clouds, and even deeper, water clouds where powerful lightning storms are born. These lightning bolts are thousands of times more energetic than anything we experience on Earth. At night, the dark side of Jupiter lights up with constant electrical displays. As we descend through the atmosphere, pressure and temperature rise dramatically. Hydrogen becomes a supercritical fluid, then transforms into metallic hydrogen that conducts electricity like liquid metal. This metallic layer, combined with Jupiter's fast rotation, generates the strongest magnetic field of any planet, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. The magnetosphere stretches millions of kilometers into space, creating a protective shield for the entire inner solar system. Jupiter possesses faint, delicate rings made mostly of dust. These rings are constantly replenished by material ejected from its volcanic moon Io. Unlike the bright, icy rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are dark and difficult to see, yet they add another layer of mystery to this giant world. Now we turn our attention to Jupiter's extraordinary moons. More than 95 have been confirmed, but the 4 Galilean moons discovered by Galileo in 1610 are worlds of their own. Io, the closest, is the most volcanically active body in the entire solar system. Tidal forces from Jupiter squeeze and stretch its interior, keeping it molten. Hundreds of volcanoes erupt simultaneously, sending fountains of orange and yellow sulfur hundreds of kilometers into space. Its surface is a constantly renewed hellscape of lava lakes and colorful mineral deposits, with almost no impact craters. Europa, covered in a smooth shell of water ice, may hold the greatest secret in our solar system. Long, dark cracks called lineae crisscross its surface, evidence of tidal flexing. Beneath the ice crust, estimated between 10 and 30 kilometers thick, lies a vast global ocean of liquid water, possibly twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. Hydrothermal vents on the seafloor could provide energy and chemistry for alien microbial life. This makes Europa one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Its surface shows ancient, dark, cratered regions mixed with bright, grooved terrain that speaks of past tectonic activity. It is the only moon known to generate its own magnetic field, suggesting a liquid iron core. Like Europa, Ganymede also hides a deep subsurface ocean trapped between layers of ice. Callisto, the outermost Galilean moon, presents a completely different story. Its surface is one of the most ancient and heavily cratered landscapes in the solar system. It has remained almost unchanged for 4 billion years. The giant multi-ring impact basin Valhalla dominates its face like a cosmic bullseye. Callisto too may harbor a deep, cold subsurface ocean. The orbital resonance between Io, Europa, and Ganymede creates a beautiful gravitational dance. For every 4 orbits Io makes, Europa completes 2, and Ganymede 1. This resonance keeps tidal forces strong, powering the geological activity we see on these moons. Smaller moons and captured asteroids complete Jupiter's family. Trojan asteroids travel along the same orbit as Jupiter, leading and following the giant planet like loyal companions. Humanity's exploration of Jupiter began with Pioneer 10 in 1973. Voyager 1 and 2 followed in 1979, giving us the first breathtaking close-up images. The Galileo mission studied the system for years. Today, Juno continues to revolutionize our knowledge from its daring polar orbits, revealing Earth-sized cyclones at the poles and a surprisingly fuzzy, diluted core. In the near future, the Europa Clipper and JUICE missions will focus on the icy moons, searching for signs of habitability. One day, humans may establish floating habitats in Jupiter's upper atmosphere, or safe bases on Callisto, far from the intense radiation belts. Jupiter has influenced human thought for centuries. Galileo's discovery of its moons provided crucial evidence for the Copernican model, showing that not everything revolves around Earth. In Roman mythology, Jupiter was the king of the gods, a name perfectly suited to this dominant world. From every angle, Jupiter displays endless wonder. Swirling clouds in slow, majestic motion, powerful auroras dancing at the poles, storms the size of continents, and moons performing their eternal orbital ballet. It is ancient, powerful, mysterious, and beautiful beyond words. This gas giant continues to guard its deepest secrets. Its metallic hydrogen interior, its possible diamond rain in deeper layers, its exact formation history, and whether life exists in the hidden oceans of its moons, all remain questions for future generations to answer. As we watch Jupiter slowly rotate, filling our view with its immense presence, we are reminded of how small yet how curious humanity is. This single planet contains more mass than everything else in the solar system combined. It has protected the inner planets by capturing comets and asteroids. It is a world of extremes, of beauty, of violence, and of profound mystery. Jupiter stands as the true king of planets, ancient guardian, storm lord, and father to a miniature solar system of its own. Its story is the story of our solar system itself, and we have only begun to read its first chapters. Jupiter's cloud tops move in constant dynamic motion. Bands of white, orange, brown, and red flow past one another, creating shear zones of incredible beauty and violence. Every hour brings new storms, new vortices, new collisions of atmospheric forces that have been playing out for billions of years. The planet never rests. Its atmosphere is a living, breathing, ever-changing canvas painted by the forces of nature on the grandest scale imaginable. The polar regions show chaotic cyclones arranged in perfect geometric patterns, some of them larger than our entire planet Earth. Auroras, caused by Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, dance in greens, blues, and reds with an intensity never seen on Earth. These lights are the visible signature of the giant's interaction with the solar wind. From the surface of Ganymede, Jupiter would fill the sky like an enormous striped wall, dominating everything. From Europa, it would appear even larger and more threatening, its gravity constantly tugging at the icy crust. From Io, the view would be one of constant volcanic fireworks against the backdrop of the giant. Every mission that has visited Jupiter has returned with new surprises. Every image reveals more complexity. Every scientific paper raises more questions than it answers. This is why Jupiter continues to captivate scientists, filmmakers, artists, and dreamers around the world. The story of Jupiter is a story without end. As our technology improves, as our spacecraft become more capable, as humans eventually reach this distant realm, we will continue to uncover layer after layer of its mysteries. Until that day, we can only watch in awe as this colossal world turns slowly in the darkness of space, forever reminding us of the grandeur and mystery of the universe we inhabit. Jupiter, ancient, powerful, beautiful, and eternal.